Welcome to this tutorial on Temu from Referral Step by Step. Temu is a popular e-commerce platform that offers a wide range of products at affordable prices. The referral program is a great way to earn rewards and discounts by inviting friends and family to join the platform. To start, you need to have a Temu account. If you don't have one, sign up for free on the Temu website or mobile app. Once you have an account, navigate to the referral section, usually found in the account settings or profile section. In the referral section, you will find your unique referral link or code. This is the link you will share with your friends and family to invite them to join Temu. You can copy the link or code and share it via social media, email, or text message. When someone uses your referral link or code to sign up for Temu, they will receive a discount on their first purchase. You will also receive a reward, which can be in the form of a discount code, free shipping, or cashback. To maximize your rewards, make sure to share your referral link with as many people as possible. You can also share it on social media platforms, forums, or blogging websites. Additionally, you can offer incentives to your friends and family to encourage them to make a purchase on Temu. Some best practices to keep in mind include being genuine and transparent when sharing your referral link. Make sure to disclose that you will receive a reward if someone uses your link. You should also respect people's boundaries and not spam them with your referral link. In terms of key concepts, it's essential to understand the terms and conditions of the referral program. This includes the reward structure, eligibility criteria, and any limitations or restrictions. You should also be aware of any changes to the program, which can be found on the Temu website or mobile app. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully refer friends and family to Temu and earn rewards. Remember to always be genuine and respectful when sharing your referral link, and to stay up to date with the terms and conditions of the program.